Chicago Botanic
thank you,
Garden.
so sweet, man.
Here is a lot of flowers, trees, fruits, vegetable, and
Chicago
other
Botanic
green. You
Garden
can visit,
for
enjoy,
yes, yes,
bring your family and
garden
friends.
path one way.
You can see a lot.
Garden
Green
path
and
one way.
clean
See,
garden
all
in
Japanese
Chicago.
style
What a
trees.
wonderful, and management of this garden are wonderful too. Trees, lot of trees, water, fall,
Beach.
small river, and look at path. We are walking on the path
Beautiful trees.
around the garden. People are coming here for releasing their stress. If you have time and you can
What
visit
a beautiful
and release your
nature.
stress,
Oh,
definitely you can enjoy, because Chicago basically is a
see, you can see
clean
those
and
trees and
green
enjoy.
and organized city. And this is south
Brown
of
trees.
Chicago, not far, very
Mano,
close to
mano.
Chicago south side. Lot of people here, but whenever you have time, spend your time in summer season, because winter or snowy weather, if you are coming in this month, then you cannot enjoy. Definitely hard to walk if rain or if snowing. How can you walk on this street? Look here, no or nothing
This is the Japanese
garbage around
style
here.
trees.
If you have any garbage, if someone is
Brother,
smoking,
running, mashallah.
I appreciate if someone not smoking, because smoking free zone. If someone is smoking, then we are other person. We are becoming second hand smoker.
Beautiful, see?
So try to avoid
Listening
smoke
bird
or
song.
any drug or any
Beautiful bird song.
intoxication. Why? Because
Beautiful
life is
nature.
short. If you want to really enjoy, then don't use any
This is
drug, any alcohol, any
garden of
cigarette,
green
any
in
kind of
Japanese
smoke.
garden.
Why? Because
Evergreen
life is
plants.
short. We have to enjoy with healthy life,
Communicate the
like this trees.
permanence of
Look at this
nature
jungle.
from
Here is a
season
lot of
to
trees.
season.
If you are sitting around
Colorful
under the
flowers
tree,
express
then you will feel you are in
impermanence and
paradise.
fleeting
Definitely, this
beauty.
world is
Fleeting beauty.
resembling
Really,
paradise.
this is a
Look
fleeting
like a
beauty.
paradise. We can create paradise on this earth through our behavior, through our working hard, through our taking care each other. So you must spend your day definitely at evening, at night.
Beautiful.
This garden, Botanic
Go
Garden,
upstairs.
is going to close.
Enjoy.
But open
weather.
your eyes and walk
mashallah.
around here.
Wow.
If you have time, you can visit our
See, you can
Tour
sit here
TV
if you
YouTube
like.
channel. You can visit and
A
comment.
place
If you have
for
any comment,
meditation,
I will be happy
contemplation.
to
The
see your comments and
herbal
reply
house
you as soon
convenes
as possible.
plushed cedar
Botanic Garden
and
is one
spruce
of the
wall.
beautiful garden in Chicago, in
Beautiful
Illinois,
wall.
and I will
Don't go
say in
there,
America too,
but
because
look
a
at
lot
those
of
things.
beauty spreading here. Look,
Japanese style.
both sides, trees, flowers, vegetables, fruits, and so on. This
Just
small
entered
tree
a
came from Japan. Some
house.
trees came
They stopped
from
to
Indonesia. Some tree came
perform
from
a
different countries,
ritual
not from
for
Chicago
the
all, not
body and
American tree
soul.
all,
Oh,
but Not
body and
every trees are outside now. Some trees are belong to Chicago. Look at right side, Japanese trees, green, not animal. No,
wow,
nothing
big,
is
wow,
harming you. No one is
going down
harming you.
the stairs.
Why?
Wow,
Because very smooth walking. I'm sharing with you one interesting thing. Look at right side pond. This is beautiful pond,
not
water. But
this
I'm focusing my
concept.
way because I'm walking in
Beautiful
Botanic Garden.
Chicago.
For you guys, I myself enjoying too.
What a
But
beautiful Japanese
if
garden
you are
and to
listening,
garden in
watching,
garden in garden.
and following my channel, then you can see a lot of other uh,
Beautiful
touring,
everywhere.
lot of other video, excited video too.
I'm very
Someone
excited
maybe
to
could
see
be
those
boring, but
trees.
not mostly. Look at in front of us, trees look like umbrella and water. This is not, this is artificial water. Water is pure, but pond,
Garden
digging,
path one
this is
way.
artificial.
Go.
Now I'm going
Beautiful.
through this pond, my both side
I'm
water.
still going and
Now,
going and going.
everywhere green. Look at here, garden, left, garden, right.
Paths. In a Japanese
Lot of
garden, the
trees
path
from Asian
serves
country too.
as a guide
You have
to the
time.
garden, leading you
Spare
from
your
view.
time for
A
your health,
view.
for your
It also
enjoyment, for
controls
your
how you
excitement.
see the garden.
Because we have
A
to spend
narrow
our
path
time
made of
for our
uneven stones
rainy
requires
time,
you to
beautiful
slow
time.
down and
If you
consider
are
the
walking by
walkway
yourself
at
too, you
your
cannot
feet.
feel bored. You
Large
cannot
open
feel you are
pathway
one of only
encourage
one. You
you,
cannot feel you are alone. A
encourages
lot of
us
people
definitely
will be
you to look up
with you.
and
So
around the garden
I always
while
suggest
walking.
walk,
Around the
visit,
garden while
tour,
walking and look at
journey
this
with us.
those trees.
Stay with us.
Excited. I love
Comments. If
nature.
you did not
Flowers,
subscribe, and if you like to
fruits,
subscribe, then subscribe my
vegetables,
channel. But
trees
this
for
is
climbing.
secondary thing.
See,
Primary
look at
thing is
around.
enjoyment. I make video for myself, for
Walking
enjoyment.
around the
I never
this
think for
pond,
my channel
I think
monetizing
there are a
or
lot of different
channel
ponds. This is not
subscribing.
same
If someone
pond.
subscribe,
I
then
don't
I
know. I
appreciate.
have
Otherwise, I never
no
force.
idea, but
See, this is my shadow.
walking
I'm making,
beautiful way.
I'm
See,
walking, and my shadow is in front of me because
I don't know where is
sun
my
is
friend. He's
behind of
sitting.
me.
Maybe he's enjoying
Beautiful
somewhere
weather
else. I have
because
no
I
idea,
was
but
in summer season. I had one other friend. I'm actually looking for one guy. He came from Pakistan. I'm looking for him, so I'm searching him everywhere. I'm looking for him everywhere, and sometime I'm voicing, "Hey, where are you, Mr. Friend?" So wherever he is, he will come. But I'm still walking,
ah,
I'm still crossing, I'm still visiting in this beautiful, beautiful botanic garden. So you can see my shadow too. Sometimes shadow coming from my back
see,
in
this is
front
a
of me, but
pathway
here
too.
is trees shadow. But if I go straight
But
and making left a
I
little
think
bit,
I
then
have
you can
less
see my
energy in
shadow too.
my
Here is a
device.
bench. If you are
I
tired,
don't know.
you can sit here. But if you are
Shadows in
sitting,
Japanese garden,
I
shadows
think this is
are
a wasting time.
often
I do not
trimmed
want to waste my time. I want to
into
walk
low
around continuously, walking,
semi-special
walking,
mounts.
walking.
This
So
type
if
of
you are
shot
walking touring, visiting this garden, I guarantee you, you will plan to make, you will make plan to come here again. Look, here is right side is hilly,
Beautiful.
little bit mountain, not like mountain like Himalaya,
Sidewalk.
but little bit hilly, and left side water
Again, look at
and
trees.
straight flowers,
Beautiful trees.
different colors, trees, different colors, leaf. So
Tree.
very enjoyment. I always excited to see this botanic garden because
Wow.
I personally like to enjoy myself. If someone hanging out with me, I feel better. But if no one with me, I do not care. Just walking, going and going and going. Here is tree, here is sun, but sun is coming from my right side, so you cannot see my shadow. Now sun is in front of me because I am continuously, sometimes I run around botanic garden, sometimes I walk speedily, sometimes I jogging, sometimes I move like a crocodile, very slow, very, because watching around me, water, this is my weakness. If I see somewhere water, I feel personally happy, very excited. So you will see in my video, mostly I try to cover water because whatever you like to show whatever you like. Same thing, you want to show same thing. I like water, I like trees, and like this tree. Beautiful. If you have time, you must visit my other video and have a wonderful day.